Alright, this is going to be a test of the system sensor S1224MC. It's the remote strobe version of the P1224MC, which I have right here. But it's not going to be included in the video, because we're not testing that alarm right now. So without further ado, here we go. It's supposed to be like what I have. So 3, 2, 1. We can, yeah, it's flashing. Nothing too special, it's just a remote strobe. Anyways, that's it. And for the final part of the test, BG12L, this ratty thing. The reason being, I've tested all my other SpectrAlerts with it, including the ceiling remote strobe, so why not this one? So here we go. Alright, let's insert the key in. Anyways, that's it, pretty much. Thanks for watching.